Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we are going to be creating this beautiful hairstyle with Brazilian wool. So let's get right into the video. So we'll be using this Brazilian wool today for the tutorials. Then straw, the regular straw you use. Then we have cut the Brazilian wool into our desired length. I'm not giving a particular length, just any length you are comfortable with. When it stops, you add again when you are using it to braid the hair. So guys, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and like my video, share my video to other people as well. Thank you. So I took 5 Brazilian wools. Was it 5? No, it wasn't 5. Okay, I took the amount I was comfortable with, then drag one from each end. So after dragging those ones that are longer than the rest, then I'm going to place the Brazilian wool at the middle of the straw and start twisting and turning around the straw. Now when we get to you can see how I'm holding the middle so it won't loosen up. I'm trying to show you very well. So when we get to the end of the twist and turn, you will see the use of that one that I drag out to be longer than the rest. You are going to use it to secure the end instead of using rubber band or pins. So you will use the same Brazilian wool to secure the end. That is it, guys. I'm using Brazilian wool to secure the end. I'm doing it twice. I won't lie to you guys, there are some I did once and they didn't loosen up. So I did plenty. This is like half of what I did. Abby, this is like half of what I did because I did the hot water twice. When I put them together, I'll bring it so that you guys will see. Though I didn't use all in this video, I'll be in this tutorial. One thing is that my water gets very hot whenever I'm trying to coil this Brazilian wool, but I won't allow it to boil. Why? If it boils, it's going to make the Brazilian wool a little bit rough. So I won't allow boiling water, very hot water. That's what I use to coil my Brazilian wool. So this is all that I did. Now I'm going to loosen it and let's see what we have on the course we were able to make with Brazilian wool. And ta-da! This is the curls we made. Let me loosen them up so that you will see the beauty that we were able to create. So that's it, guys. Let's get right into the tutorial. I did the first line. So we're going to be doing regular butterfly locs. You use your crochet to pass the Brazilian wool or whatever extensions you decide to use through the already braided hair. I braided it into one so it will be easy for us. Will not be going. I know everybody can do that, what I did there, so I wouldn't come and be wasting your time. So let's get right into the butterfly lock tutorial. And you can see the way I'm putting my hand in between. Why? Because the chunk of wool I'm holding is big. I don't want it to be big outside. It won't give that bushy look. It's going to be just fat. So I'm putting my hand in between so that some will go straight and some will be left out. Hope you get what I just said. So when I get to the end, I actually turn back and wrap upward, then secure where I'm stopping. Remember, this is Brazilian wool, so I'm going to tie it. I'm not just going to leave it without or wrap it without securing the end. I'm going to tie it so we don't have fear of losing and all of that. So guys, this is the finished look. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Then check the description box to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.